I think we're at a good point to clean the radiators and the fans out of this. One of the things I remember about this unit that I liked was that it's very easy to remove the fans for cleaning. There's 2 fans in here, maybe 3, but these 2 are the main ones here, and they come right out. It's completely modular. Even the power connector is modular, so you can get in here and clean this out, and you can clean out the radiator itself, because that will just get blocked up with dust and then the air won't go through at all, and that's really a problem. So you need to keep this clean. A lot of dust was in there. Okay, that looks pretty good now. We go ahead and pull out the other one so we can get a comparison. The other one's not quite as easy because the audio ports are stuck in there, but it does still come out. Let's see. We have a little lever that we pull up. And this just comes right out, I think. Yes, I thought it did. Oh, there's one screw. Nope, that releases the... I think that releases the card. Okay, well, I thought this was easier than it seems to be. I'm not sure what the difficulty is here. It seems to be free to move in all directions, so I don't know why it won't come up. There it goes. The handle just came off. Okay, I see what was holding it on. There was a connector there. Oh, there's another screw there. Duh. I don't know why I wasn't peeping that. There we go. Not a huge difference here, and you can certainly tell the difference though. The big difference, whoops, the big difference is in these radiators. This is the dirty one, and this is the clean one. And the amount of air that passes through, the difference will be significant. You can still see the light through there, so it's not too bad, but look at how much more light you can see through this one. Actually see right through to the other side. And this one's kind of blocked. So very, very important, well, to not throw things on the floor and to clean it this far. Very important. It's a step I've seen a lot of people miss. Now that this one has gone flying onto the floor, let's put this back in. And I'm just now noticing that this battery is not the correct one. It doesn't have the subwoofer on it. I don't know if that's another fan under there or not. That's completely dead. Alright. Now let's get this cleaned out here and then put this back together. There is another fan under there. Cleared it out enough to... I wonder how we can get to that fan within ease. See if it's under here. Nope. There may be a wireless card slot. I guess I can't get to that fan with any kind of ease, but there is another one under there. I've cleared the radiator off, so that should be good enough. Kind of a dumb design to put this thick screen on there, because that's always going to be blocking up. My air thing is kind of running out. I think that's good enough. It's certainly better than it was. Okay. Bearings seem pretty good on that still. That's not where that goes. It goes over here. This is kind of tricky to get on because you have tabs down here and up there. Not really sure what the best way to do this is. There we go. Not sure if that's really the correct way, but it worked. Okay. Oh jeez, I forgot to put the handle back on. Okay, now we're good. That's all cleaned up and ready to go.